In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload in Google Ads. If you manage lots of campaigns, ads, or keywords, bulk uploads can save you a ton of time by letting you make many changes from a single spreadsheet instead of editing items one by one. Start by heading to your Google Ads account and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct account and have the right access level to make changes. From the main dashboard, look toward the top bar for the Tools and Settings icon. That's the hub for many advanced features. Open it, then find the section labeled Bulk Actions. This is where Google Ads keeps features designed for large-scale edits. Click Bulk Actions, then choose Uploads to reach the page where you'll add your file. On the Uploads page, click the plus icon to start a new upload. This opens a window where you can pick the source of your data. Google Ads supports a few different sources like files from your computer or connected spreadsheets. For most workflows, you'll choose to upload a file directly. Click Upload File to select your spreadsheet from your device and get it ready for processing. Before you upload, here are a few quick tips to avoid errors. Use a supported format like CSV or XLSX. Follow Google Ads' bulk sheet templates, including clear column headers for the entities you're changing, such as campaign, ad group, keyword, final URL, headline, status, budget, and bids. If you're updating existing items, include their IDs when possible to ensure precise edits. Keep naming consistent, match types accurate, and budgets and bids in the correct number format. If you handle multiple campaigns or networks, it's helpful to include a notes column for your own tracking, though Google Ads will ignore it during processing. After you select your file, Google Ads will process it and present a summary of what's about to change. This is where you can review how many items are being created, updated, or removed, and see any validation errors. If something looks off, cancel, fix your spreadsheet, and upload again. That loop is fast, and it's the safest way to prevent unintended changes at scale. Once everything looks good, complete the upload to push your changes live. Give it a moment, then spot check your campaigns, ad groups, and assets to confirm the results match your plan. That's it. Navigate to Tools and Settings, open Bulk Actions, go to Uploads, hit the plus icon, choose your source, and upload your file. With a clean template and a quick review, bulk uploads become a reliable part of your optimization routine.